Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you the fees for in between eBay and Etsy. If you're looking for online sale and looking for any platforms to sell, um, I did few research. Okay, if you sell on Amazon, I think Amazon monthly you have to pay $40. If you shop on Shopify, you also have to pay monthly fee, which is $29. Only thing for these problems is probably big for professional sellers, like people like me, part time, or I only sell when, let's say, if I have iPhone or use something, I want to sell on eBay. Just seasonal sale, I guess. And also I have used clothes I want to sell, not like consistent, not full-time selling. I think Amazon and Shopify it's not really make sense because I'm not gonna pay $20, $40 each month. That means even you don't sell, right? So I think now it's more between Etsy and eBay. So if you have like used clothes, maybe eBay is good. But let's see in this particular sample, let's see you sell something you make, like sometimes making a greeting card, you make something, masks, right? You want to sell on eBay, but not like super expensive stuff, not too expensive, or stuff not you don't have like 100 items to sell, right? So this is a scenario I'm comparing right now with Etsy and eBay. I came out with a spreadsheet. So let's see if I want to sell something for $10 or $100, doesn't matter. You can see very clearly on Etsy, you have to pay listing fee 20 cents. And even you don't sell it, you have to pay listing fee. eBay doesn't have a listing fee. I think for first 50 items. For me, I don't have a 50 item to sell, so I'm qualified for no listing fee at all. So in this case, depends on how popular your item is. Like mine, some like clothes, I was there for a couple months. So if I use Etsy, that each time it will charge me 20 cents. But on eBay, it won't charge me until I sell. So in this sense, I feel like use eBay is better. But you can see beside the listing fee, in general, eBay have a little bit higher fee than Etsy, just because you can see transaction fee on Etsy is 3% plus quarter, 25 cents. And then when you use eBay, it's the PayPal that kind of linked to it. And the PayPal fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents. So these two very close. But on Etsy, the transaction fee is 5%, right? But in eBay, there's just one fee, final sell fee. That's the 10%. Final fee, kind of like insert fee or something when you sell the item is just 10%. That's it. eBay just one fee, 10%. Then if you use PayPal to pay, then that would be 2.9% plus 30 cents. And in Etsy, the transaction fee is kind of like PayPal fee, similar, right? But transaction fee is 5%, is half less. So I felt like in this case, if you sell something like cheap, like $10, a couple dollars, and the stuff is not super popular to sell, like clothes, I sell clothes for $15. And it's on the online for a couple months, I haven't sell. Then maybe use eBay is better, even though eBay has a little bit higher fee, but at least you don't need to pay 20 cents, right? It's not like penny pincher, but at least in this case, all the fees matters. But Etsy, you can see it's 5%. It's like half of the transaction fee as eBay, but then you still have to pay 20 cents for every time you lease. Okay, let me put this as $200. Let's see if anything change. I put the spreadsheet, have all the formula link. So this is matters when you have sell more stuff like your iPhone. You have iPhone, you sell for $200. Shipping, I'm just assume the buyer pays the shipping, so I kind of cancel it out. But as you can see, even though there's 20 cents right here, but 5% is $10 fee. But in eBay, 10% is $20 fee. That kind of can tell the differences. It's double. And then on PayPal, you have to pay $6. Here you have to pay $6.34. So the total fee here is $16.69, but on eBay it's $26. It's just because here this 10%, this is 5%. That makes huge difference when you do sell something more expensive. So your profit is 183. This is $10 short. But you know, again, if you want to sell something $20. I mean, 5% and 10% is just $1 differences instead of $10 differences right here. So yeah, it's all $10. It's if you sell something less than $100, it's like dollars, couple dollar differences. But once it goes to $100, $200, eBay have more fee because it's $10 differences. So anyway, I think this spreadsheet help people to make decision whether you want to sell on eBay or not. But for me right now, I'm doing eBay more because my item, I was selling the car for $4. You know, 5% $4, 10% $4, it's not much differences, but I have to pay 20 cents each time I release it because, you know, sometimes my item just don't sell that much. All right, thank you for watching my video, and